Do we do this to save on purchasing commercial products or to reduce the environmental impact of waste chemicals? It's not a new idea to use garden produce to develop film, but few know how to get good results in a short time. Nature's inevitable surprises bring some dose of suspense. The outcome is highly probable, but not guaranteed. To do our tests, we take a couple of rolls of photos at medium and high sensitivity using a traditional reflex camera. So we take this opportunity to reflect on the use of suitable or unsuitable photographic lenses for portraiture, following the famous example of verification number 8 by Ugo Mulas, and understand how to manage equivalent focal lengths with a smartphone.